Good morning, everyone. This is Swapna. Today's our topic is concept learning as such in machine learning. What is the main goal of the concept learning as such is to find the hypothesis that best fits the training examples. What is the main goal of the concept learning as such is the goal is to find the hypothesis that best fits the training examples. So consider the example, the instances x and hypothesis. Here we are considering, to understand that concept, here we are considering the instances of enjoy sports. So here uh, instances are represented, set of instances are represented with the capital X, and hypothesis, set of hypotheses are represented with the capital H, and every instance is represented with the small x, and every hypothesis is represented with the small h. And what is the hypothesis means proposed statement for the every instance. Here our example considering is enjoy sport. For this how many attributes we are considering means, here we are considering 6 attributes. The attribute names are sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, and for every attribute each possible values here we are giving. Depending upon that only how many distinct instances and how many hypotheses are possible hypotheses are there to we can easily find out. So here for the sky attribute, three possible values are there, that are rainy, cloudy, sunny. And for air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, every attribute has the two possible values, and these are specified in the instance space. So how many different type of instances possible here means we are finding with the combinations, that is for every attribute how many possible values are there. By multiplying all the possible values we can get the different or distinct instances. That's what here we are saying. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, by that all the possible values of the attributes, by multiplying that we will get 96 distinct instances. 96 distinct instances we can find. Similarly we are calculating the how many syntactically distinct hypothesis will present for these attribute values. For this example is, that is 5 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, like that we will get the 5120 syntactically distinct hypothesis. We will get. How we are getting these values means, already we said for every attribute possible values are 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here we are increasing to find out the distinct hypothesis. First attribute sky, 3 possible values, and also we are adding the 2 more possible values for hypothesis. What are the 2 possible values we are adding here for this finding the distinct hypothesis means, that is question mark and null value. Question mark and null symbols. What is the meaning of question mark and null symbols means, question mark symbol will accept whatever every possible value, and null symbol, it represents the empty space. It represents the empty space. It won't accept any possible value, like that. There may be these two possible values also there for every attribute. By adding all these two possible values for every attribute possible values, we are getting the syntactically distinct hypothesis are 5120. Like that we are going to find the semantically distinct hypothesis. How we are getting the semantic distinct hypothesis means, we said if all the attribute values are null, that is also we are considering. For to find the semantically distinct values, instead of adding the 5 value, instead of 5 value adding the null value for every attribute, we are adding only the one possible, and remaining all we are considering as a semantically distinct possible hypothesis. That's why we are adding only the one possible for every possible value. That is for 3 we are adding one more 4, 2 will become as a 3, of attribute values. So that's why we are multiplying all this and adding only the one which will contain the all the null values, and these null values are not adding to the remaining distinct hypothesis. That's why we are getting the 973 semantically distinct hypothesis for this example. Is that clear? Here, what is concept learning as such means, goal of the concept learning as such means, here we are finding the best fit hypothesis. Best fit hypothesis for training examples, to find that what are the possible instances are there, how many syntactically distinct possible hypotheses are there, how many semantically distinct hypotheses are there, we are finding. Within that, we are going to find the best fit hypothesis. So this one is the part 1. This one is the first part for the concept learning as such. So next part, general to specific ordering, I am going to give that information in the next video. Today by this concept here I am closing this. Thank you.